What's up guys, my name is Marcel Flores, welcome to my YouTube channel One Dapper Street, and welcome to another episode of our Getting Dressed series where you can watch me get dressed step by step and I share my thoughts on my outfit. Today we're going to take a look at styling navy and black Chelsea boots from my own collection. We're going to take a look at two things, one Chelsea boots in general and two styling navy and black, which is said to be a fashion rule that I very much like to break. So if you liked what you saw in the intro, stick around until the end to get a closer look at the complete outfit in motion. But let's start with step number one, the boots. And here they are in all of their beauty, the Ankari Flores navy suede Chelsea boots. Super slim. I personally love the silhouette, something that was really important to us. But you see the black gore. The gore is the stretchy part of the Chelsea boot, combined with the black sole and the navy suede of the shoe itself. I think intrinsically that works. In this case, I chose to wear a pair of skinny black jeans with the boots. For one, to continue the slim silhouette of the boots and kind of just like have them go one into the other smoothly. If you want to wear more of a slim fit, then I still think they should be fairly tapered. I think it just looks better with Chelsea boots. The next piece we got is a black t-shirt. I'm wearing it right now. It's a black undershirt from from Xenia, and it's not really a highlight, so I'm actually not gonna waste a lot of breath on it. This is what actually is living on the surface, what people are gonna see, and it's a navy turtleneck. Now disregard the shoes, just look at the black jeans, look at the turtleneck. It's like a medium weight knit, super nice from Zara. I think it works. I don't see why there's an issue between black and navy. I think it goes well together. Now, the turtleneck is already casual, but also kind of dapper. I chose to go with a navy H&M coat up top. I've been wearing it a whole lot recently. I actually really like it. Has black buttons, once again ties in the topic of navy and black, and has a sleek vibe to it. I actually have a couple of meetings today, so I'm liking the casual vibe, but still like serious enough to talk business. And I think the colors black and navy are also part of that. Very classy. Then we're moving on to accessories. Recently I've really been into rings. These are three of my favorites, all from Sir Denim, a buddy of mine from London. And I'm wearing my Mont Blanc watch with a black leather strap and a little blue highlight in the dial. Once again, mixing up black and blue. So I'm doing it over and over in the outfit. And that's already the end of it. We just add a pair of black leather gloves. These are from Hugo Boss. I think every man should have a pair of simple black leather gloves in their closet. Mine are actually monogrammed, which I love. So they are keeping my hands warm, while the turtleneck is keeping my neck warm, and the rest of the outfit is keeping the rest of me warm. So that's the whole outfit. I hope you enjoyed watching the process. As promised in the beginning, we have a little cine for you, so enjoy that in 3, 2, 1. And with that, we wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed that and the video as a whole. Please let me know your thoughts and comments down below in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to change that so you don't miss out on any of the videos coming up. Subscribe and turn on the post notification so you're one of the first ones to check it out. It's always good to be part of the early ODS squad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye.